In a move that has sent shockwaves through the Formula One community, seven-time world champion Lewis Hamilton has shifted his allegiance from Mercedes to Ferrari. This marks the end of his 12-year tenure with Mercedes, during which he won six of his seven world championships. His transfer now to the Scuderia is not just a main point in his storied career, but it is also a pivotal and defining moment in Formula One world right now. अगर बात करें हैमिल्टन की एसोसिएशन विद मर्सिडीज तो इट बिगैन इन 2013 आफ्टर हिज इनिशियल ईयर्स विद मैकलारन। अपने टाइम विद मर्सिडीज के दौरान ही बिकेम द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल फार्मूला वन ड्राइवर एवर, amassing 105 Grand Prix victories. However, the 2024 season presented challenges, with Lewis Hamilton finishing 7th in the driver standings and even many times being outperformed by his teammate George Russell. These struggles led to introspection and a re-evaluation of his career trajectory. Early 2024 में Ferrari reported to have signed a multi-year contract with Lewis Hamilton, which would pay him over $50 million annually. इससे होगा क्या कि Carlos Sainz Jr., who was previously a teammate of Charles Leclerc at Ferrari, will now make the move to Williams, और Lewis Hamilton will partner up with Charles Leclerc, एक वो जोड़ी जिसको फार्मूला वन की दुनिया में एक बहुत एक्साइटमेंट और एंथुजियाज्म के साथ देखा जा रहा है, because with Charles Leclerc's youth and Hamilton's experience, this could be the perfect dynamic duo that Ferrari needs to rebuild and move towards its renaissance, because Ferrari has not won a drivers' championship for almost nearly 2 decades. Hamilton's introduction की बात करें तो his introduction at Ferrari's Maranello base was met with widespread enthusiasm. A particular highlight थी was an Instagram post which featured Lewis Hamilton beside a Ferrari F40 in front of Enzo Ferrari's old house. इस इमेज ने 5.4 मिलियन लाइक्स गार्नर की, making it the most viewed image in Formula One history. इस पोस्ट ने न सिर्फ हैमिल्टन की पॉपुलैरिटी को शो किया है, बल्कि एक्साइटमेंट सराउंडिंग हिज मूव। सोशल मीडिया मैट्रिक्स के बियॉन्ड हैमिल्टन की मूव हैज आल्सो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड सिग्निफिकेंट फाइनेंशियल implications. Sponsorlytics, a sports data analytics company, has estimated that the combined brand value of sponsors featured on Hamilton's race suit in the viral photo was $400,000. अगर 2025 के सीज़न की बात करें तो हैमिल्टन हैज़ वेस्टेड नो टाइम इन गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड। जो फेरारी की 2023 कार है उसकी टेस्टिंग की गई फियोरानो सर्किट में, इन विच लुइस हैमिल्टन was guided by his team engineer Riccardo Adami. These sessions were crucial for Hamilton to familiarize himself with Ferrari's machinery and the team dynamics ahead of the 2025 season. Ferrari plans to unveil their car on February 19, 2025, with pre-season testing scheduled in Bahrain later that month, marking Hamilton's first official runs with the iconic team. Despite all the enthusiasm and excitement that is building in the air regarding Hamilton's move, there are some voices of critics also being offered. For example, Formula One former driver David Coulthard has expressed his concerns on this Ferrari's latest acquisition. Coulthard emphasizes that Hamilton's recent performances could be a concern for Ferrari, especially given the high expectations accompanying such a high-profile transfer. और डेविड कोल्थहार ने हैमिल्टन की जो रिसेंट डिप इन फॉर्म आई है 2024 के स्ट्रगल्स में, एज आई प्रीवियसली मेंशन के हैमिल्टन फिनिश 7th इन द ड्राइवर स्टैंडिंग्स, इस चीज़ को भी कोल्थहार ने हाईलाइट किया है। अगर हम बात करें कि क्या हैमिल्टन की ये मूव वेदर इट विल प्रूव टू बी अ न्यू डिसाइसिव चैप्टर फॉर हिम इन फार्मूला वन, तो कहीं ना कहीं फैंस थोड़े पैरेलल्स ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं विद द मूव ऑफ माइकल शूमैकर इन द मिड 1990s टुवर्ड्स फरारी, जिसके बाद माइकल शूमैकर ने ग्रेटनेस अचीव की फरारी के साथ। तो कहीं ना कहीं हैमिल्टन फैंस आर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक कि मे बी हैमिल्टन्स स्विच इन यूनिफॉर्म विल ऑल्सो ब्रिंग हिम द सेम गुड लक एंड फॉर्चून विच ही wants to once again kickstart his career after some seasons in which he has not been able to show his true class and his true mastery on the track. अब अगर बात करें कि 2025 सीजन जैसे अप्रोच कर रहा है, जो एंटीसिपेशन है, इट इज palpable because Hamilton's partnership with Leclerc promises to be one of the most intriguing dynamics on the grid. Both drivers bring a wealth of talent and determination, और इनकी collaboration it could be the catalyst which Ferrari needs to end its championship drought. बात यह है कि लुइस हैमिल्टन की जो मूव है, it is not only a significant step in his storied career, but it is also a very important step in terms of Formula One ratings and Formula One's peership. तो ये तो आने वाला वक्त ही बताएगा कि क्या लुइस हैमिल्टन की मूव टू फरारी विल प्रूव टू बी हिज चेंज इन फॉर्च्यून, और विल हिज सेम स्ट्रगल्स दैट ही हैज़ बीन facing with Mercedes for the past few years even continue in his new uniform. As teams finalize their preparations and fans eagerly await for the lights to go out at the Australian Grand Prix in March, all eyes will be on Hamilton and the prancing horse, watching to see if this partnership can indeed make history. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.